Cou-cou. Cornmeal paste and okra. A side dish from Barbados. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Wash okras, cut off stems and boil with half water and salt for about 10 minutes. Step 2. Add the rest of the water and salt to the sifted cornmeal and mix well. Then take okras in the saucepan off the heat and stir in the cornmeal mixture until well blended. Step 3. Return saucepan to stove and cooking mixture, stirring all the time with a wooden spatula, over medium heat. When mixture becomes stiff and breaks away from the saucepan cleanly at the bottom, it is finished. Step 4. Empty in a serving dish and serve hot with steamed flying fish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.